And hello fellows, I have the Milwaukee drill and it just not doing anything. Okay, starting to do something when heated. So we need to open it. Okay, and what we can see when open it, it's that of course it's a lot of dust here, and we have dip inside, and here all the dust. But the good thing that we can see that the brushes is not moving in the brush holder because they are ended up. So we need a new brushes. You can check the armature, it looks good, so we need to clean the commutator here with a sanding paper. Of course, we need to do some cleaning here. We'll just remove the LED light. Yep, you can see that the housing is full of dirt and other parts, so we need to clean it and change the brushes for it. Okay, I have received the replacement brushes, and of course now I want to replace them. I will unscrew the old ones. Okay, we got the brushes replaced, so now we can assemble it. We have cleaned the gears a little bit, the housing itself, and okay, so we have the housing and we have the choke unit. You can see the bumps in the choke unit, they go here in the housing. You can see that it's a pin for the group here. Just mounting the armature, and I will lift the brushes with my fingers, and then I will insert the armature. Of course you can lift the springs for the brushes and make it in that way, but I think it's easier. Okay, now we have the LED light wire here, and I will press it in a groove. Okay, now goes our switch. And you can see that the switch fits good. Okay, checking for the wires, and of course we have the spring It goes here for the battery terminal. Okay, we have the controller, the switch in place, the direction changer. You can check if everything moves easily. Yep. So now I need to put the gear IC. Spinning the choke unit to get it in place, of course moving with the brushes in the armature, and everything must be in the places here. So the choke unit now is good, the gear IC good. We can try to close the drill. Now we can see that the housing fits good. It's here from the brush, from the cleaning brush. And now we have a lot of screws here. Okay, and seems that we have the completely assembled drill, and we can test it now. It works and looks good. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.